Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtney Marie and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, this is my first video of 2024. I'm so excited. I'm so ready for this new year because we all know last year was ghetto. Last year started off rough, it ended rough, like it was just, it was not giving. But 2024, I have a lot of goals, I have a lot of aspirations. I'm so ready for this year, y'all. I plan to be more consistent this year. I do have a full-time job, but I do make time for y'all. And I definitely appreciate all the comments, all the likes, just all the support. It definitely gives me that motivation and that boost that I need to continue doing what I'm doing. So I definitely appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much. And yeah, so this video is just basically about resetting, refreshing, getting ready for the new year. I'm going to show you guys what I use to wash my face. I'm going to show you guys my hygiene products, what I use in the shower. I'm doing my makeup today. I'm showing you guys what I'm putting on today. Like, it's just a productive day today. And that's what I plan for 2024, just to be productive, just to get up out of bed at a decent time, get what needs to be done. You know what I mean? Because usually I just lay in the bed, be lazy, have no energy, no motivation at all. But this year, like I said, I have a lot of goals, a lot of aspirations, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Oh, and Happy New Year. I'm over here chatting. I forgot to tell y'all Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful New Year. Anyway, let's get into 2024. Let's get into this video.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
So here are some of my hygiene favorites. This is the Fenty Skin Cocoa Cleansing Bar, my Method Body Wash, the Brightener Vitamin C Body Wash, and then I'll leave it off with my Fenty Skin Body Scrub. If y'all want a more in-depth shower routine, just let me know. But here I am fresh out the shower. First things first, I'm going to exfoliate my face. So I'm going in with my Fenty Skin Cherry Face Scrub, and I'm going to rub that in all over my face, getting all those dead cells off, all that dead skin off. And it smells so good, y'all. It smells just like cherries.
I want a contract, girl, no, baby. In the meantime, some me time.
So now I'm putting on my wristbands. If you know, you know. It's supposed to stop the water from running down your arms when you wash your face. Now I'm using my Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. It's time to cleanse that skin. And yes, I'm using a brush. I know a lot of people are iffy about these brushes. I've been using these type of brushes since high school, and they work for me. I know a lot of people say, oh, they hold bacteria. Well, baby, it works for me, and I'm going to continue to use it. Okay? Next, it's time to tone our face. I'm using the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner. And yes, I got the whole Fenty Skin line, okay? Don't come for me. I love Riri and I'm going to support her, okay? And yes, her products are just really good. Like, very high end at a good price. And this is not a sponsored video. It's just I love her products and they smell great. And now I'm going in with the Good Molecules Daily Brightening Serum. I usually do about 2 drops and I rub it into my skin. Yes, gotta have some type of vitamin C in your skincare routine. It will definitely even out your skin. So now I'm going in with the COSRX Snail 96 Mucin. I love this stuff, honey. If you want glass skin, this is what you use. If you have damaged skin, redness or whatever, this is what you use. I use it during the day and at nighttime. Now I'm going in with my Glow Recipe Dew Drops. A lot of people use this for primer. However, I use it for my skin. It just gives you that glow that you need, that hydration that you need. Now for moisturizer, I'm going in with my Fenty Skin Moisturizer. This stuff smells so good. Yeah, her stuff just smells amazing. And it does what needs to be done. So this was my skincare for today. I do switch it up a lot of times. I do use a lot of different products. But today, this is just how I've been feeling. So now for lip oil, I'm using Fenty Skin lip oil. and it smells like cherries. It smells so good. And that is my skincare. Look at that skin, y'all. Like, look at that glow. Yes, honey. Okay, moving on to makeup. So for primer, I'm using my One Size Secure the Sweat primer. And I'm also going to use my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas blurring primer to blur out those pores. For foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and I'm in the shade 440. It matches so well with my skin. And as you can see, I'm using a nice dense brush to pat that foundation into my skin so my skin can absorb the product. You do not want to swipe it on. You don't want any brush marks. You simply want to pat it into your skin all over. Now time for contour. Let's look snatched. Let's sculpt our face. I always put contour on my forehead. As you can see, I got a big old forehead. So, I try to make it look a little smaller. I also put contour on my cheekbone area. I have a little chubby face, so, I want sharp cheekbones. And I also want a sharp jawline. So I do put it on my jawline area as well, and also my nose. Moving on to blush, I'm using my Juvia's Place liquid blush, and it's in the shade Marigold. You want to be gentle with Juvia's, okay? Very gentle, because her stuff very pigmented. Okay, so if you don't want to look like a clown, start off lightly and then work your way up. And now for highlight, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's in the shade Butterscotch. I stay using this concealer, but it just works well. But I heard the Hourglass concealer eats, so I'm very excited to try that one. But I'm just placing the concealer in areas where I want a bit of highlight. So underneath my eyes, my forehead area, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. And I'm also going to sharpen up that contour a bit with my concealer as well. So this is my inspiration today. I want to do a glossy brown eye look. So I'm just placing this brown eyeshadow, just patting it all over my lid, just packing it in, making sure that it's well pigmented, and then I'm going to blend it out upwards towards my eyebrow. But I'm just packing that color on, just making sure that it shows. Just looking back, I could have used a darker brown shade, but I just wanted a natural look. I wanted a natural look, but I did want it to try the glossy brown eye look as well. So now I'm taking a different shade of brown. It's a slight darker shade, and I'm just blending that with the first shade, and I'm blending that upwards towards my eyebrow. So we're going to come back to eyes. Now I'm going to buff out those edges with my brush, starting to blend out that concealer. Using a light hand, I'm buffing out those edges, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. And then to add a little bit more brightness, I'm going in with my NARS concealer, and it's in the shade Caramel. And I'm just placing that more so in my inner corners. And now I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. And now to set that concealer, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm taking my powder puff, and I'm just placing that powder everywhere that I lay that concealer. You don't want your concealer to crease up throughout the day. You don't want it to move throughout the day. You want to set it with your powder. And now for bronzer. I love bronzer because it just adds that warmth back into your face. So I'm using the One Size bronzer, and I'm just placing that everywhere that I laid my contour. So around my forehead, as you can see with that highlight, it makes your forehead look a little smaller, if you see what I'm talking about. I'm also placing it on my jawline area as well, and also going to place it on top of that contour on my cheekbone area. Now I'm just applying some eyeliner. I'm using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. And now I'm applying some mascara. This is the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. And then I'm going to apply some lashes. So these lashes I got off Amazon. And now time for gloss. So I'm taking this clear gloss and I'm just placing it on top of that eyeshadow. So I wanted to make sure that my lashes and everything were on before I did this because it can get a little messy. But I am loving the outcome so far. Like, it looks good. Now back to the face. I'm going to apply some foundation powder. This is the shade 460 from Fenty Beauty. And this is just to simply blend everything together, get rid of any harsh lines, just making sure that everything is blended and seamless, getting rid of any excess translucent powder, just to blend everything together. The setting spray I'm using is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. And then I'm going to go in with my Revolution Super Thick, which is a dupe for the One Size Setting Spray. And now we're going to move on to lips. This is the Juvia's Place Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Cola. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Soul Matte Liquid Lipstick. And it's going to be in the shade Other Half. I'm just placing it on the outside of the perimeter of my lips. And then on the inside, I'm going to place also another Morphe Soul Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Quick Crush. So I'm going to blend all of that together, and then I'm going to place a clear gloss on top. And now moving on to outfit of the day. I'm a New Balance girly now. And then I found this Tupac sweatshirt at Target, and I'm just pairing it with some black tights. And then my smell goods, my Menthol lotion, my deodorant, of course, my Fenty Skin body butter, Sol de Janeiro body spray, and then my Good Girl perfume. And OMG, this is the final look. A nice natural beat wins every single time, okay? What y'all think? Is it giving? But thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Trust me, more is coming. Love y'all.
I would like